I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects. Walker and I were just finishing up putting the metal on the walls, and the last piece of metal was the piece that has all the knobs and whatnot coming out through it.
So if we're happy with that, we can bang these.
And I took a hammer and gave it a little tap to make a little dent on the back to mark the location of all the knobs and switches and valves that we have up there.
Oh.
And you could hear a hiss, and both Walker and I stopped. We're like, what's that? And then it starts coming out of one of the shower heads. Hey, my screws! And pretty soon, there's a waterfall coming out from behind the wall. There's water and steam coming out from everywhere. Oh my God.
We got water damage happening right now. Go shut the water off to the house. Unfortunately, we realized pretty quickly we've just broken one of the fixtures.
Well, that's what happened. I heard a couple screams from down below.
This is the infinity part. It just keeps dripping forever. Infinitely wasteful. And finally, we got everything shut off, but now we have to replace that cartridge, and it's gonna set the shower back. What a nightmare.
I just heard about your technique for locating plumbing. Hit it with a hammer?
Yeah, Walker told me.
If you turn that panel around, all those holes are marked. I did it yesterday.
Dumb and dumb and dumber.
Oh, yes, sir.
All you had to do was drill them out. Don't go prospecting for plumbing with a hammer.
Just a little tap.
Word of the wise.